Okay, so we're going to go through something on if statements, quite a simple part of C#. Let's go into hours worked. I'm going to write a method here to work out, I want to know if someone's overworking or not, so I'm going to say work status, I'm going to say get work status, or let's say current work status. And we're going to use this variable up here if hours in week is greater than 50. I'm going to return, we're going to define an enum up here, so I'm going to make this public, enum work status, overworked, underworked, or I say working correctly, underworked. So if the hours is greater than 50, return work status dot overworked. Else, if it's greater than 30, then it's working correctly. Otherwise, return underworked. Okay, so pretty straightforward there. So we go into, we set hours a week in 20, and then I want to say current work status, current work status, okay, so let's just work this out for the moment. So I'm just going to say work category, current work status, and work category set to 2. 2 is the enum based on 20, and if we go back here we'll see that 2 was underworked. So it's 0, 1, 2 for the enum, and it's hitting the code here. It's not this fails, this fail, the 30 fails, and then it goes into the underworked, which is 2, and then it goes back here. So to get something out of the variable, we would then just say if that is equal to dots underworked. Cannot reference through an expression. Well, it's not letting me. Okay, for just to illustrate this, I'm going to copy this. Oops. Oh, it's because this is an int here, that's why. Okay, so if we console right line, and this is underworked. And when we run this, well, I'll do, let's put this in here. And we can see we've gone to this line here in the debug. So that proves that's working. Now we should be able to also put HW dot there. Can I reference type through an expression? Not totally sure why that's going on like that now. So. It's a public well, it doesn't like that. Can I reference type through expression? Okay, so it seems to want that, so okay, so this we can now see it says at the top underworked. So there we have it. So we've got the basic if statements, if, else, and that's the end of that.